भाई कल्कि के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर दीपिका पादुकोण फ्लॉन्ट कर रही हैं अपना बेबी बम और देखिए कैसे अमिताभ बच्चन और प्रभास रख रहे हैं प्रेग्नेंट दीपिका का ख्याल। भाई इनका ये जेस्चर फैंस के दिल को छू गया। तो आइए कल की ट्रेलर लॉन्च के ये खास नजारे देखते हैं।
मुंबई में हुआ फिल्म कल्कि का लॉन्च, जहां पर सारे दिग्गज सितारे एक साथ जमा हुए। बॉलीवुड से अमिताभ बच्चन और दीपिका पादुकोण थे, वहीं पर तमिल फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से थे कमल हसन। तेलुगु सुपरस्टार प्रभास इस फिल्म में मुख्य भूमिका में है। प्रभास एक अलग अंदाज में नजर आए। इसके अलावा पूरी भारतीय इंडस्ट्री एक साथ थी और कल्कि का ये स्पेशल इवेंट बन गया यादगार।
Sir, tell us about Nagashwin and tell us about Kalki.
Just as much as what you just said. It's just that I didn't go to school with him. But it's been a great honor to have worked in this product. And there are many things that I'd like to ask Nag and the rest of the cast and the crew. But we'll get time for that a little later on. It's been a truly wonderful experience to have worked in a setup where they've actually gone beyond thinking what most of us have been doing all our lives in this film industry. And I really appreciate the fact that they're moving a little ahead of times and making us a part of that and making us work in conditions that we never ever thought we would be able to work in. So I want to congratulate Nag and the production for thinking something like this film, and a great honor for me to be a part of it.
As possible because of good technicians and good directors. Otherwise, I think I'm enjoying it more now.
And what's your experience with Nagashwin and with this wild crew?
I was curious to begin with. I was sort of surprised, and then I'm in awe now.
I'm stressed the same way. So yeah, the first time when I came, like, you really helped me. I was like, wow, please help. What should I do? What should I talk? And now, yeah, the media was very sweet then and now. Thanks a lot.
I mean, the movie went on for about 3 years, so I was like, why not? Just a few months more.
So Nagi's really pushed you into being a method actor then.
I mean, clearly.
So tell us a little quickly about Nagi and then we'll come back to this.
If Nagi opens his mouth and speaks, I'll be able to tell you a little bit about Nagi. But no, I think it's been an incredible experience. I think a great learning experience. I think, like Mr. Bachchan said, I think a completely new world. And I think we went through different phases of discovering what this movie was about. But I think the magic that is in Nagi's head is now here finally for everyone to see, and I think we as actors have discovered that along the way. So it's been an incredible experience at both a personal and a professional level.
Deepika, I always wanted to...
The fact that he has said more than 2 sentences, we should be celebrating.
Please, big round of applause, please.
Yeah. So yeah, Deepika, I wanted to work with her always, and some actors who can reach around such an international level, and such a beautiful, gorgeous, and superstar, and a great actress. And it's beautiful to work with you. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's it, I think.
Actually, I'm like this because of all the food he's fed me.
Okay, let's start by
Though-
talking about that. Did all of you all eat great food on set? No?
Yes, courtesy.
This man?
Yes. Every day. And it got to a point where it wasn't
You
just
never
food
ate.
coming from home, there was like full catering service. So the highlight of the day almost became what is Prabhas feeding everyone. And for those who know him well, know that he feeds from the heart. So
Awesome.
can't. I think he said a lot about the movie and the worlds. But I mean, I think what I can definitely say is that it's unlike anything we've experienced or seen before. So even when I remember doing the narration for this through COVID, and Nagi was on Zoom and I was on the other end, and I think much like Kamal sir said, you know, you could see sparks of genius in him, even though this is just his second or third movie. You could tell that it was, as he was narrating, there wasn't much on paper, but it was all in his mind. And every time he spoke and you look, and even now when you look into his eyes, you can see that, you know, the entire visual of what he's envisioned over the years is so clear. And that's the only time, and I mean it in a good way, where you actually hear him speak, and speak so articulately, because that's the one thing that he's just completely consumed by and, you know, passionate about. And but yes, I mean, I really don't know. Very honestly, to your question, I don't know how much I can and cannot say. But yes, I play the mother, and yeah, and then the movie's out on the 27th for everyone to discover the rest of it.
Amazing.
I mean, sure.
Dragon Tilak?
If the audience would like me to, sure.
Awesome. Thank you.
तो आप भी तैयार हो जाइए अमिताभ बच्चन, कमल हसन, प्रभास और दीपिका पादुकोण को एक अलग अंदाज में देखने के लिए फिल्म कल्कि में। मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।